Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, and then let's enter the Play Store. And as you can see here, we've got the information that your apps, games, payment methods and notifications and offers are now here, so simply in our account. So let's tap on the circle and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now that we have to enter the Manage option, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all apps and games which are installed on this device, and in order to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And in my case, I've got 21 updates pending, and of course you can update all of those apps, just mark them. If not, if you'd like to update only one of it, just make sure that you will mark it. I will, for example, maybe not Google Chrome but Google Photos. Let's mark it and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now this update is pending. Right now it will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so actually you do not need to do anything. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.